Hello friends, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Incredible Abhishek. So in this video we are going to have an analysis over the prelims compass of Indian polity and governance. So many of the students have been asking about this to make a review onto this. So we have provided you the PDFs onto our Telegram channel. Okay, if you are the member of that Telegram channel, you might get all the prelims compass of all subjects. So basically there was a concern regarding the review, so we have decided to make a review. But as always, I always says you that don't run behind the sources, stick to one that will give you success. So revision is the ultimate key for your success. So don't run behind the sources, only try to focus on revision is going to make you sail through this examination. Okay, so you need to focus on to that. So basically if you are new to this channel, you need to go to the video section. You will get lots of video that would be useful for your preparation. If you are searching for PD 365 review, you will get it. If you are searching for Udan 365, Udan prelims compass, any of the magazines review, you will get it out. Monthly magazines, every magazine's review has been available to our YouTube channel. Other than that, if you are someone who is facing problem in the current affairs, then definitely strategy videos regarding review of the different magazines are being provided, different books review are being provided. So we will start with this video with the content. As you all know that our video is always divided into three parts. First we see the content, then we have the analysis of the content by seeing one or two articles of that magazine, then after that we come to a conclusion, that is the review part of that. Okay, so we will do the same part in this also. If you will see, they are starting with the preamble. The most beautiful part of this magazine is that they have segregated the topics, segregated the articles or the topics in such a manner that you read, means you always read first preamble, then union, state, territories, then you read the fundamental rights, citizenship, fundamental rights, then fundamental duties, DPSP. So in such a manner, then reservation will be there. So everything you see in this manner, so they have also done these things in same manner. If you'll see preamble, in preamble there are these many articles are being there, then in union, states and union territory you have these many articles. Then in the citizenship always being a issue for the current, so these are the articles that are being covered. Then in fundamental right, these are the articles that are being covered. So you need just to pause the video and have an overview that whichever the topics are being there is no point of reading these topics. Then reservation, you will get these many articles into the reservation. Then it comes to your parliament and state assembly, so you will get these things in the parliament. Then in judiciary you will get e-court mission. So everything you will get in this manner. You can just pause it and you will get to know that. In election you will get these many articles. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, read this by pausing the video. Then legislation, you will get this: Disaster Management Act 2005, Prevention of Corruption Act, then Jammu Kashmir Public Safety Act. Question was being there from this also. Then governance and the local bodies, because this is the polity and governance one, so you will get these all things. Indexes are being given: corruption perception index, everything. And then you will see the social sector initiatives, then language, then northeast is being also there. Then you will see in the core part, you will be seeing these things: the framing of the constitution of India, sources of Indian constitution preamble, constitutional bodies, so fundamental rights. Core means the core concepts of these things. Okay, so this they are covering in this. Then fundamental duties, everything is being there. Then these are the things that are being covered. Then statutory, then appendix have been provided for you, then this. Okay, so these are the things that we have seen. Other than that, there is a preface that we will be reading out, that polity is considered to be one of the pillars of the UPSC examination, be it prelims or mains. As civil servants, aspirants are expected to understand the constitution and the constitutional spirit, observe the laws and the laws of the land and their rules. They are expected to review these laws and rules. So in the present volume of the prelims compass, we have tried to embrace the spirit of polity. We have tried to cover the most topical issues of the constitution and legal development, which to us are most important from the perspective of upcoming examination. Usually 15% of the questions in the prelims are asked from the polity sections, uh, with this with most questions directly from the constitution itself. Thus we have added a quick review of the constitution as a fast review. Then this magazine comes with 100 MCQs, practice MCQ, that will help the student to test their knowledge. Then we will recommend that so these are the things that have been given. So let's see first articles so that you can understand this well. So theme based question, this is the most beautiful part that I seen in this magazine, that they have given the theme based topics that are being asked. For example, if you will see the prelims 2020, so this would be helpful for those students who have not analyzed these papers. I always stress on these topics that you need to revise the 2018, 2019 and 2020, means to see these questions and analyze this question. That would be useful for you. But if you have not done so, they have done for you. For example, there were 11 questions. So 11 11 themes where from where the questions are being there, and you can see from DPSP and part 4 there were 3 questions. So this shows that importance of this topic. Okay, importance of this topic. But if you will see one thing, that here is 9th schedule has been there, the 9th schedule is being there. Okay, can you see this? So repetitions are also being seen. Okay, in the examination topic repetition you will see. So these are the topics that are from where the questions are being asked. For example, the parliamentary system, DPSP, then basic structure and judicial review here also, judicial review here also. Then bureaucracy, preamble, RPA is one more time also asked in 2018, I think so. Then functioning of the parliament, Rajya Sabha versus Lok Sabha, fundamental right, definition of the constitutional government. Then universal declaration of human rights. Then Sarkaria Commission, functioning of the parliamentary committee, judicial review, definition of liberty, Supreme Court, the legislative assembly of the state. Then article 21, so article 21 is combined into the fundamental right only, but it is was a generic question of the fundamental right, and there they have specified it. Then amendments, then impeachment of the judges, then the office of prophet, 5th schedule. Here you can see in 2018 the features of the rule of law. So rule of law is also being asked one more time, so you can see this. Then the governor and immunity, laws and liberty, then speaker, election of president, money bill, right to privacy, parliamentary rule of law index. So here they have asked the rule of law, here they have asked the features of the rule of law, and here they have asked the rule of law index. Then leader of opposition, so you can see here that they are mainly focused on the current, means whatever the things that were in news in that year, they have picked the topics from there and they have framed the questions so that you can understand the things better. So you need to focus area will be what, the core concept that are linked from the current happenings. Okay, so this magazine is going to help you a lot. Okay, this magazine is going to help you a lot. Why? Because from this you can get to know about the current happenings and you can link it with the core concept, and they have provided very beautifully. Many times their terms are being asked, so they have given you the meaning of the term. For example, you might have seen that from this year's or last year's you have seen questions are being asked from the constitutional terms. So terms becomes very important. If you will see, the terms have been given here, all the aristocracy, autonomy, bicameral, everything has been given. What do you mean by citizenship? So questions are being there. If you have seen the previous year, you might have seen that there was a question, what do you confer by the topic term called as liberty. Then colonialism, communism is being there, community identity, democracy, direct democracy, then indirect. So everything has been given, despotism, exile. Then you will see the expectation, then heckler's veto, imperialism, pressure groups, movement, Cautelier's theory. So these are the things that are being given. Then federalism. Federalism is very important. You need to know this. Then what do you mean by equality, liberty or freedom? So this time they have asked this question: what do you mean by positive liberty? What do you mean by the negative liberty? So you can make a note of that. What do you mean by right? What is republic? So you can make a note over that also. Then what do you mean by the rule of law? Very very important question, might be asked from this topic also. Indian secularism, what do you mean by that? This is also very important. So certain things are very very important. You need to make things over it. Then we will see the current affairs and related concept. For example, in the preamble, celebrating of the Constitution Day was in news, so they have mentioned it out. If you have solved the previous year, there was a question by giving whole constitution, and after that they have just mentioned in place of date they have mentioned X, and they have asked the date. So you need to remember that 26 November 1949 is the date. Sorry, 9, just a minute, 26 November 1949, yes, it's correct. It is 24 November 1949, 26 November 1949. When it comes to Jan, then it would be 1950. Okay. Then what was the purpose of the preamble that has been given here? Then important facts for the prelims that you need to focus. Then union and its states are being given. Then if you will see, these are the things that are being given, so you can see these things. Okay, for your understanding purpose you can see these things. So these many things are being there, so that much was there. So let us talk about the review part. So when it comes to review, very very important part. This is a very beautiful magazine in itself. This is very beautiful magazine, and if you are following this magazine, definitely it is going to help you a lot for your examination, because they have given you terms, then concepts, the current happening concept, then core. In core they have given you fast revision modules, so that you can revise the things in a very quicker manner. So these all things will be helpful for your examination point of view. So for that part you can just refer this magazine. Definitely it is better. Is it better than PT 365? I would say that yes, it could be, because in single magazine you are getting everything. So somehow if I will see the polity, definitely I can say that it would be better. Okay, so it is better than PT 365. But yes, if you are someone who is reading PT 365, then no need to change it, just focus on to that. So that would be the review. Rest of the things we have covered in the previous video, so no need to mention that points in this video. Every magazine is unique in itself. Definitely orientation changes, but content that you are searching for, 80 to 90% content are always same, that I always mentioned in every video. So rather than watching these kinds of review videos, focus on the studies, your revision part. That's why I never make frequent videos. After getting lots of comments, lots of queries, I just put an efforts to make certain videos. Yes, certain videos are very essential. For example, we have uploaded a previous video, that is Vision IAS by Inside IAS. That video is useful for you. Those videos that we make from our research, from our analysis, then that video will be useful for you all. But these are the videos that you just request, then we prepare these videos for you, but that is not useful. Why? Because these are the certain things that you can figure out from yourself only, that all of the magazines are similar, orientation changes, what suits you better, then you can follow that. Okay, I hope that this video might be helpful for you, and if this video is helpful for you, do share with your fellow mates and do subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching this video. Thank you.